Welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I'm going to do an unboxing the LED ring light. Kakarating niya lang ngayon, guys. Deliver ng Amazon. What is it? Ano man na? Sorry, guys. Okay. Open natin na. Ito. Yan siya, guys. May 10-inch LED ring light. And this is what's in the box. Yan siya, guys. Sakto lang siya pag phone yung gamit nyo. Pag nagba-vlog kayo. You have this one here. Anong tawag nito? Pan tilt. They call this pan tilt. You have the pan tilt. And you have this one. Another pan tilt number 4. And this is for the mobile. I think the clip, yung clip niya, guys. And the stand. That's the stand. And the main ring light. So, we'll try this, guys. Try natin, ha? Ay, maano siya. Let's see. Ito pagpataas. Setup natin, guys. Ito, Actually, may stand na ako eh. Setup natin siya. Yan siya. Yan siya. Yan. Matibay siya yung metal niya. Oh.
Is that dirty?
What's dirty, baby? This one.
Alright, well.
Pwede naman ito lang pala, ring light lang pala ilagay nyo. Ito.
Want to see it? No?
Minute, baby.
Oh,
I'm trying to set this up.
alright.
Hirap naman ito.
Pizza. Okay.
Right, guys. Ayan.
Pizza.
Okay. Let's see if it works. Kita nyo ba, guys? Taas natin. And then, ito yung plug niya. Saksak natin dito. Wow. What happened? Is it supposed to be just like that? Ito naman yung switch niya, oh. Ito yung on and off. I think this one is to pag gusto niyo lumakas yung lights, tsaka yung gusto niyo mag-change yung color, yung warm light, yung white lights. Okay, we'll try it, okay? Switch on. Wow, it's very bright. This is good. I like this one. Ito yung ginagamit, di ba, pag pag nag-photograph ka. That's better. Nakakaganda siya. Mas gusto ko yan. Tingnan nga natin, guys. Lagay nga natin dito. Ayan. Yan, maganda. Okay ba, guys? Hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo ako. Yan, try natin tong. Yan. I think that's a white light. Ay, ang ganda. No? That's a blue. Paano yung, try natin yung plus. Ayan pa. Gusto nyo mahina, pwede. Gusto nyo lakasan, pwede rin. And then, change the color. That's a ready lights. It's a blue one. Ang ganda niya, guys. Saan ka? Pero ito, para saan kaya to? Try natin. Open natin, guys, ha? Para ano, sa ano to? Dito. Ayan, oh. Nakalagay dito, guys, oh. Yun yung instruction niya. Installation instruction. So, ilagay natin dito. I-insert natin siya. I need this one. Ito, I need this one. Itong pan tilt. Pan tilt siya, guys. I-insert ko siya dito. Tapos, ayan. Is that much better? Tighten lang natin siya para hindi malulog yung phone. And then, madulas eh.
Hello, pizza. Hello, pizza.
Then,
Hi, pizza.
hi, pizza baby.
Pizza. Pizza. Hi, pizza.
Hi, baby.
Hi, pizza.
Hello, baby. Next one. Pwede rin itong gamitin. Alternative, ano. Pagkatapos, yan. Alright. Dapat pala, ano. Sorry, nagtutuo akong sipon. Ang hirap naman to install. Alright. Pero maganda siya, guys, ha. Change natin ulit. Ayan, oh. Sorry. Sisipon talaga ako. Ayan. Notebook. Pwede siya sa desktop, notebook, sa USB charger, and mobile power. Pwede siya. Try natin yung orange, ha. Ayan. Sakit nga lang naman sa ano. Yan, mas maganda. Yan, mas maganda yan, no? Okay siya, pang vlogging. Pag pwede siya, maganda siya pag phone lang yung gamit mo, pang vlog. Maganda siya bumili ng ganito. Pero, pag may budget ka naman, may pang Canon ka, I do have Canon. May Canon naman ako, kaso sobrang laki. Kailangan mo pang i-set up. Kailangan pang i-set up para mag-vlog. Tapos, lalayo mo pa. Para kasi ano, naka-zoom siya. Yung lens, hanggang 18 lang siya. 18mm. Kailangan malayo talaga, no? So, ayun siya, guys. Ayan siya, oh. Binili ko siya sa Amazon. Ayan, oh. Tama lang yung laki niya. That's the diameter. Yeah. Scan with the transparency app. Okay na rin. Right, guys, that's the end of our video. And I'll see you next time. Okay? Right. Bye, guys.